Hello guys! Today I'm going to be doing some simple cross stitching and making a dolphin. So let's do this. And I don't think this fabric is like legit cross stitching fabric, but we're just gonna do it anyways. And it has this kind of like weird pattern on it, but I mean, we're just gonna go with it. So I'm just taking navy blue and then doing the dark blue part of the dolphin. And this is taking a really long time, so I'm just going to do the rest of the dark blue off camera. Now it's done, and we're moving on to the lighter blue for its stomach. Now that the stomach's done, I'm going to do the eye in a black thread. And the final thing I'm doing is outlining the dolphin with a back stitch. And now I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!